Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Ebong, and today we'll be making the melt and pour soap making method. The method we'll be using today is called the melt and pour. It's actually one of the easiest soap making method. You know, in soap making we have the cold process method, we have the hot process method, then we also have the melt and pour method. Melt and pour is actually one of the easiest. So if you're a learner, you can actually try this method, or if you are scared of exposing yourself to chemicals, you can try this method. With this method you can produce a lot of beautiful soap with different designs. You can actually do something very smart, very cool, very beautiful with this melt and pour soap making method. So I woke up in the morning and then I went to the market, purchased the soap base, called one of my soap students, and we'll be doing this together. I did this with one of my soap students at my workshop. So we'll be making a gold color transparent soap. The melt and pour is actually a kind of soap you can make and produce, then give it to someone for his or her birthday as a present or gift. So it's actually a very nice soap. It makes soap making fun. That's the good thing about the melt and pour. It makes soap making very nice. You will enjoy soap making when you make the melt and pour once in a while. Soap making shouldn't be very serious, shouldn't be all about the business aspect, the selling aspect. You could actually do something nice, fun with your family, your brothers, your loved ones. Just try something beautiful, something lovely. That's the essence of the melt and pour soap making. You can actually diversify, you can do things, you can actually produce any shape. You can customize your soap to come out smelling the way you want it to smell, to come out to having the shape you wish it to have. In the coming days we'll be making different patterns, different shapes. You will see a lot of beautiful aspect about the melt and pour. That is not actually a boring soap making method. It's actually very interesting. Now this is the soap base. I've actually cut it into smaller chunks. Now I'm going to melt these chunks here on the fire. Any heat source you have, you can use it in melting this soap base. If you have an electric stove, you can use it. If you have a kerosene stove, you can use it. If you have a gas cooker, you can use it. If you have a microwave, you can also use it to melt this. So I'm going to melt this. So just watch, I'm going to do it. I'm going to melt this and bring it back for you to see how it has melted. So it's time for me to melt the soap base, which I'm going to do next. So the next thing I want to be doing is to see how I can change the color of this my soap base. I want to make it look gold in color, and I want to make it as natural as possible. So I'll be making use of the saffron strand. I'll keep on adding the saffron strands till the color of my soap base looks gold in color. So that is just how it is. You just look for something that will give your soap base a golden color. If you want to practice this at home, you can just enter the chemical shop or the organic shop where they sell organic ingredients. You purchase what will make your soap come out having a gold color. So I purchased the saffron strand, and you can see how it looks like. It looks gold in color. Now I'm going to pour it into my soap mold. But before I do that, I'm going to add my fragrance first. This fragrance I'm adding has the smell of milk. This is milk for taking tea. So I actually purchased the fragrance because most people like the smell of milk. So I purchased milk fragrance. You can use any fragrance of your choice. So I said, let me try the milk fragrance and see how it goes, how people will appreciate it. Now one thing about the melt and pour method is that it doesn't actually waste time to harden up. It harden up quickly, faster than the other type of soap making method. That's one of the lovely thing about the melt and pour soap making method. It harden up within hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. You are ready to take it off the soap mold. So I'm going to keep this for some few hours for it to get hard and dry, hard enough for me to take it off the soap mold. And also don't forget that I'm now selling ebooks. Ebooks are now available. You check the description of this video, you will see a link where you can make your own purchase and get your ebook. The ebook contains a lot of skincare production. We have the cream making, the soap making, and other type of skincare production. The ebook is very rich and very down to earth. So just purchase yours. Check the description of this video for the link where you can purchase your ebook. It's now available. You can purchase it and download it into your phone, then print it out as a hard copy according to your choice. If you want to use it as a soft copy, you can use it as a soft copy, but it is available. Check the description of this video to purchase your ebook. And don't forget, I organize online classes on WhatsApp. Check the description of this video also for the link where you can join my online class where I teach soap making, cream making, the shampoo, the detergent, and all sorts. I'm on social media. You can follow me on my Facebook page, Famous Skincare. Follow me on TikTok, The Famous Guy. You follow me on Instagram, The Famous Guy. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share. Thank you, and see you next time on our next video.